How to reorder your Instagram carousel post after posting. Now in order to reorder your carousels in Instagram, just simply open your Instagram app and tap to your profile from the bottom right corner. After tapping in there, you will see all of your posts that you have in Instagram, and as you can see here, I have this carousel post in my Instagram. Now here are two photos. Now in order to reorder these images, as you can see here, the first one is number 2 and the second one is number 1. Now in order to reorder these, tap to three dots. Then after that, tap to edit button. Now in order to change the orders, you just simply need to select the image for a while, and you can move this image in the any place that you would like. For example, let's move the number 1 image to first position. It was in the second position before, and like this you can very easily select and move the post to your desired location. Just simply reorder your post in the carousel like this, and like this you can very easily reorder Instagram carousel even after posting. Just simply tap to check button after that and you are done. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.